Hey everyone, this is Yari from Mermaid, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can master Mermaid in only 5 minutes. Now we're going to start here in the dashboard. This is where you'll land after signing in, and it's also the home for your diagrams. Here you can view and access all of your diagrams. You can sort them into folders to organize them. I don't have any at the moment, but if you were to have any, they just show up right in front of you. And this is also the starting point for creating our own diagrams. So if we want to start creating our own diagram, we can go up here to the top and press the new diagram button. That'll bring us over to the editor where we have a whole variety of sample diagrams to start with. But instead of that, what I want to show you is the fastest way to get started, which is using Mermaid AI. So to the left of the new diagram button, we can start a new AI chat, and pressing that will bring us over to the Mermaid AI chat window. And here I'm just going to ask it to create a flowchart for me. Now you can prompt it through text, or you can also upload your own files, so PDFs, transcripts, whole presentations, and visualize those as well. I'll just ask it to create a flowchart for making pizza, and it will generate and create that diagram right in front of you in real time. All right, and I think this looks great. If you're happy with the diagram, you can go ahead and start using it immediately by pressing the Use Diagram button on the left. If you want to use it immediately as well as edit it, you can hit the Edit Diagram button, which will jump us into the editor. I'm going to do that so I can show you some things that we have available there. All right, so now we're in the visual editor. Before we start actually editing the diagram, I want to show you another quick way to get started on your diagrams, which is using templates. So pressing the templates button in the top right will pop open a window for choosing all different kinds of templates that we offer for different kinds of diagrams. It's just another easy starting point to use. All right, so there's 3 ways that we can edit our diagrams in Mermaid. The first, which we just saw, is by using Mermaid AI, which if you want to go back to using the AI, you can press the Use AI button in the bottom left, and pressing that will bring us to where we were before. Here you can iterate on your diagram just by giving the AI instructions and having it do the work for you. And it will keep the whole context of your conversation so you can just keep building on previous diagram iterations. Like here I just asked it to add emojis, which it did. And I actually like this version better, so I'm just going to hit the Use Diagram button to start using it. You can see it updated the diagram on the left, and we can press our diagram to go back into the editor. The second way is by editing the code of the diagram. So we can hit Edit Code, which is also in the bottom left, to open up the code panel. This contains all of the code that's used to create the diagram. So if you're more of a technical person who likes to write code like this, you can do so here. So I can create new nodes, connect them, style the diagram, all just by typing. So I could create a node called node, connect it to another one called node 2, and you can see that gets reflected visually on the right. If you want to learn more about writing the code for each diagram, you can hit the Docs button to view the documentation. We also provide snippets, which we can use to add nodes of different shapes into the code and therefore our diagram very easily. All right, and then closing out the code, the third way that we can use to edit our diagram in Mermaid is by using the visual editor. And here you can do everything that we can do by writing the code and using Mermaid AI by just using our mouse. At the top, you'll find some toolbars for editing the diagram. Some of these are universal to all types of diagrams, so we can apply different themes and looks from here. And then others are diagram specific. So since we're making a flowchart, we can add nodes with different shapes here. We can add an icon, image, text box. We can sort nodes into subgraphs. We can change the direction of our graph, and we can choose the layout that we're using. If we don't like either one, we can disable auto layout, and this lets us place nodes and edges wherever we want. And the editor also has specific toolbars for editing the nodes as well as the edges inside of our diagram. So taking a closer look, just by left clicking on the node, we can change the shape here. We can change the border if we wanted to, border color, background color. I can change the text color. We can add a hyperlink that you can click on. Here you can also move nodes to subgraphs, and this is where you can also duplicate and delete them. And then similarly, we're able to customize our edges as well. So I can make this one thick, I can change the color, etc. So since we don't really need the start and end nodes here as they're kind of irrelevant, I can just left click on this, delete the node, or I can select this node and hit the delete key on my keyboard and it'll delete it as well. And then real quick, checking back on the code, you can see that those nodes that we deleted are no longer present here as well. So just like the code affects our visual diagram, the edits that we make using the visual editor reflect in the code as well. So those are the 3 ways that we can edit our diagram in Mermaid, but I want to show you some other features as well. So the first feature found here in the top right is comments. And here you can leave comments on your diagram or diagrams that other users have shared with you, making it especially useful for collaboration. And then next we have notes, which lets you save and take any notes that you might need. And then finally we have the timeline, which stores recent changes done to your diagram, and we can restore those changes from any point in time. If you have the diagram how you want it, you can hit export, and this allows you to export the diagram as an image, so a PNG. We can export it as an SVG or also just the Mermaid code itself. And if we want to share or collaborate with other people, we can hit the share button and invite other users from here. That's everything from me. Hopefully you learned a lot. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments down below, and happy diagramming.